So you ever set up your whole weekly schedule on when you'll get fish? These guys actually weren't supposed to be here till Friday. But luckily today I'm not doing anything because they arrived early. They actually arrived on time if I lived in a normal place. So anyway, here we go. I know, don't cut towards yourself. But it's just this bad habit I have. Did we do it? No. Okay. And we have our order. Ooh, blue. That's kind of cool. Okay, and we have them in their plastic just in case anybody leaks. And in here we have, let's see if we can get them. Of course not, they'll be hard to see. I'm not quite sure what these are. And here we have, these are our blue lace guppies. And these are long, thin, gold Danios. And these are, should be the blue Danios. Oh, these are the zebra Danios. These little guys that I didn't know what they were are the Serapi Tetras. And I'm going to go put these guys into acclimate, and then I'll do a short video of them swimming around. Oh, look how happy they are. Everybody's swimming around. This is a great thing. Thank you, Jadren Aquatics. And I will get these guys acclimated and then let you see them swimming around in their 60-gallon tank with the other Danios and Tetras. See y'all in a few.